students, welcome. Today we are doing Argentina cuisine. Alright, so we're going to be making two foods. Yeah, the first one is a recipe, it's kind of like sauce. And the second one is like chicken. So we'll be making these, eating these, and then deciding which one is better. And then we'll answer the questions. 1, put an apron on or a bib. Preferably a bib, but we didn't have any. Yeah. Step 2, you hit the button and make breadcrumbs. Step 3, you make the food. Step 4, eat the food, test the food, smell the food. Easy. Now you're done.
Garlic. Parsley already in here. Eggs.
Make sure not to get shells in there.
What? Look at this. This is whisking. And then, when you're done, you get this amazing looking stuff that looks like that. Can you see that?
Delicious. Now we pour it into the chicken.
Yuck.
Now, you take this chunky baby and put it in the fridge.
So, we failed to mention, you put the slabs of meat into the oven. Heat it to 400 degrees. Then,
Put sauce and cheese on it. Oh, yeah.
you put mozzarella cheese in sauce, and then you have to flip them over.
I did.
You flip them over and then put the stuff on. Then you put slices of ham on them. Put it in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes. It's done. Now, red chimichurri. First, spices.
It involves a bunch of stuff like paprika and salt and pepper.
Paprika.
Chili flakes. All that
Pepper.
stuff.
Oregano.
Now, lemon juice.
Bundle of parsley.
Cilantro.
1/4 bundle. Now blend it all together. Alright, so get a bell pepper,
So juicy.
take out the seeds, and put it
take the
in
top
the
off.
blender.
Don't put the top in here.
Blender it up again. Now put 6 garlic pieces in. Warning, this stuff is
Intoxicating.
smelly. Also, when you take off the lid, it might stick to the lid and kind of fall around places, you know. So, woo, hopefully it tastes better than the smell.
Oh, you need a 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. Oh, look at that amazing little red wine stuff. Doesn't that look like red wine? But it's not. Hello, this is our Argentina food cuisine tasting test. Now you saw us make it. We showed you how Argentinas truly do it. Argentinians. I don't know how to say that word.
Argentinians.
Okay, so what we have on our plates right now, that's cut apart, is so right here we have just some, you know, it's melatoso. No, that's not what it's called. Mesitoso.
The name will be on the bottom of the screen.
Yeah, we'll write it down. Okay, de la Neapolitan.
And this stuff right here is red chimichurri.
Yeah, that's what's
So I think, since we're not sure how well this one's gonna taste, since it has a lot of parsley and we're gonna let's have this one first. So if it's really gross, we can use this good stuff. Hopefully it's good, but I think it
doesn't look very good. It looks like
I say we start it though with a carrot.
yeah. Okay, so we each take a carrot.
Okay.
One carrot. I didn't get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's gross. On chicken.
Hopefully.
Ready? Ready?
You don't even have any. You cheater.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Weird. That tasted good with chicken. Yeah, it's really good with chicken. But here, yeah.
All right, now we're on the that. So this has ham, sauce, chicken, parsley, garlic. So
Yeah. Okay. So we took the chicken. You know, we you know how we marinate it and all that stuff. We're just gonna take a bite. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
That was good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's not super great. Like it's more kind of on the plain side.
Yeah.
We should add salt and pepper.
We should add salt and pepper.
We're gonna add salt and pepper.
Oh, that was too much. It doesn't need that much.
But it's pretty good. I like the ham on it. I wish we put more ham all around it. Because without it, it's more kind of plain.
I think the cheese needed to be salted too. The cheese is just kind of salted cheese. Yeah, the cheese is just kind of gooey. Salted though. It's just like a gooey mush.
I say this is the nailed it. You should try this one at home. This one takes a lot more work though.
Give us a thumbs up if we nailed it.
Thank you for joining us at Cooking
With
Kirk.
and Isaiah.
Please join us next time at
Africa.